In this session, we will discuss about organizations that are dealing in intellectual property rights. Or you can say we will study about those organizations which actually handle all the work related to intellectual property rights, जिसको हम IPRS भी बोलते हैं. तो IPRS को एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की नीड थी, those who can keep an eye, keep a check on all the transactions, on all the activities, on all the new innovation, ideas, knowledge, or intellect, those need to be protected. So we felt that some institute should be there to whom we can handle over this all work, and let's study who these organizations are, actually what these organizations work for, and in which field they are imposed. So let's start without wasting time, and I hope you have covered all your topics along with me. This is the topic from your unit 9 that we are doing right now, intellectual property rights. And recently in the very last session I explained what actually intellectual property rights are about. होते क्या है ये, कैसे ये एग्जिस्टेंस में आए, what are their historical importance. So those who have not watched, on the top you see the link, go and watch the very last link of the IPRs. Continuing this session further, before that, this is our official mail address. Those who want to connect to us, those who have any queries regarding your UGC NET exam, kindly visit us. You can mail us, and if you have any queries, we will solve it as soon as possible. The very first organization which is working in IPR is World Intellectual Property Organization, जिसको हम WIPO भी बोलते हैं. It's abbreviation of WIPO is World Intellectual Property Organization. So जो ये world level पर organization एक international organization है, what actually it deals with. So इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्रीमेंट्स बनाए हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारी ट्रीटीज बनाई हैं. एग्रीमेंट्स यू कैन से बिटवीन वेरियस कंट्रीज, और यू कैन से दोज एग्रीमेंट्स विच नीड टू बी फॉलोड अप, जिनको हम फॉलो करते हैं, एंड एज पर दोज ट्रीटीज और एग्रीमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही सारे फैसले लिए जाते हैं. वंस यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट ट्रीटी, वंस योर कंट्री हैव साइंड दैट एग्रीमेंट, देन you have to bound those, you're bound to those you can say rules and regulations. You have to work according to them. Let's have a look on all those treaties. The very first we have is Paris Convention. ये आपकी बहुत important है, and if remember जो students last to last exam जिन्होंने दिया है, आपके exam में भी आया था about Paris Convention. So this is for the protection of industrial properties को बचाने के लिए ये treaty हुई थी in 1883, the very first treaty regarding copyright, this intellectual properties. Next is Berne Convention. This is for the protection of literary and artistic work. Literary and artists को you can say protect करने के लिए ये एक Berne Convention हुई in 1886 वायना में. Then the Madrid Agreement that governs the international recognition of trademarks से related ये agreement हुआ था. Then we have Patent Cooperation Treaty 1970 में आके, and it is the treaty for the cooperation of all party access by different nations. उस different nations वहाँ पर access कर सकती हैं and patent के लिए apply कर सकती हैं. Then we have Budapest Treaty. This is in 1980 and it was about microorganisms. अगर आपने किसी microorganism को identify किया है and recognize किया है, you can claim a property right over it. Trademark Law Treaty, this was in 1994 for horizontal administrative procedures and service marks in the ambit of trademarks. Then we have the Hague Agreement in 1925. It was about it which created International Design Bureau of WIPO. International Design Bureau एक अलग department set up हुआ था through this Hague Agreement जिनका काम था designs को protect करना. So I hope you understood the working of world this intellectual property organization और इसके अंदर क्या क्या treaties आती हैं. Next organization which is working for it is WTO. I hope you all remember this term WTO. Even we covered it in your unit 1. Many of the students are asking, ma'am, we can't see unit 1 in this channel. So those who are new to this channel, again I'm telling, unit 1 के लिए you have to visit my other channel, that is Learn with Nishman. राइट यहाँ पर आपको एक यूनिट 1 की सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट दिखेगी यूजीसी नेट से। इसके मैं लिंक भी आपको टॉप पर दे देती हूँ पर्टिकुलर प्लेलिस्ट का। गो एंड वॉच दिस प्लेलिस्ट अबाउट यूजीसी नेट यूनिट 1 कि आपके सारे टॉपिक्स यहाँ कवर हो रहे हैं। एंड आई एम ट्राइंग कि यूनिट 1 को लेटर ऑन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग यूनिट 10 आई विल कवर इन दिस चैनल ऑल्सो, बट फॉर नाउ आपके जैसे यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम बहुत पास है, गो एंड कवर योर यूनिट 1 इन अदर चैनल। ऑलराइट, so World Trade Organization is about an agreement on trade related aspect of intellectual property rights. World Trade Organization में एक agreement था, इसका part है that we also call as TRIPS. TRIPS की full form क्या होगी? Trade related aspect of intellectual property rights. This particular agreement was all about the protection of intellectual properties. And ये agreement, when it came into force, it came into force in 1995. It set up a new era in the multilateral protections. अलग अलग आपके पास जितनी भी intellectual properties होती है, whether it's your intellect, whether it's your artistic work, literature work, your trademarks, whatever, it was covered under it. So World Trade Organization treaties are based on following principles. Let's have a look on all these principles. The very first we have is national treatment. National treatment means क्या है कि no foreign product once they enter domestic territories shall be discriminated in any manner. This also applies to intellectual property also. Members must accord similar treatment to foreign creation as they do to domestic ones. There should be no discrimination between the domestic you can say item and foreign item. Intellectual property, once it got a recognition under international institution, that is unique for everyone. Then is most favored nations, MFN. Most favored nations में क्या है? If a member provides some privilege या favorable treatment or exemption to another country or group, then other members must get similarly favorable treatment. सबको ऐसा ही मिलना चाहिए. Right to priority treatment. If a similar patent application has been filed in 2 or more nations, suppose कीजिए आपने कोई भी invention की है और उसके लिए आपने अप्लाई कर दिया फॉर द पेटेंट एंड साइमल्टेनियसली अदर कंट्री में भी किसी ने उसी पर्टिकुलर थिंग को आइडेंटिफाई किया और उन्होंने भी पेटेंट के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया, देन प्रायर एप्लीकेशन जिसकी आई है, द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी विल बी गिवन प्रेफरेंस. द फर्स्ट पर्सन, फर्स्ट एप्लीकेंट विल बी गिवन प्रेफरेंस and they have the right to get it patent. Last principle is concept of minimum standards. Concept of minimum standards states that there should be a minimum level of protection that every member should provide to intellectual properties. Members have the discretion to provide more protection to the minimum standards. आपको कितनी उनको protection देनी है, that should be at the minimum level. Right? So with this, I hope you understood the basic of World Trade Organization and World Intellectual Property Organizations. These are very, very important, students. Don't miss it out. Complete your syllabus with me. Already we have started practice questions playlist. Those who have missed, you can watch the playlist link on the top. Go and watch various sessions where I have given various questions for your UGC NET exam practice के लिए, and once you visit all these questions you will get an idea how the questions will come in your UGC NET exam, and that will be a helpful session for you. So if you have any doubt, any queries, contact us freely and we will solve all your doubts there. Till then, have a nice day, keep watching, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.